Welcome to Objectified, where we dive deep into the fascinating world that powers our digital lives. Today, we explore the invisible force shaping what you watch next, the algorithm that turned YouTube into a global phenomenon. It decides if your video goes viral or vanishes into the void. Stick around to uncover its secrets, from humble beginnings to world domination. YouTube algorithms form the backbone of the platform, recommending videos that keep billions hooked. They analyze your every click, watch time, and search to serve up content tailored just for you. But how did this smart system come to be? What makes it tick today? And why does it sometimes feel like it knows you better than your best friend? We break it all down in this story of code, creativity, and cultural impact. YouTube launched in 2005 as a simple video sharing site, founded by three former PayPal employees, Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim. Back then, discovery relied on basic search bars and category lists, much like early Google. No fancy recommendations existed. Users hunted for content manually. That changed fast as videos exploded in number. By 2006, when Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion, the need for smarter organization became urgent. Engineers realized manual browsing would not scale for millions of uploads. Thus, the first seeds of algorithmic magic were planted. Early versions used simple keyword matching from video titles and descriptions to suggest related clips. Think of it as a digital librarian matching books by title. This crude system laid the groundwork, but it often led to irrelevant suggestions, frustrating early creators and viewers alike. The real origin story ramps up around 2007. Google engineers, inspired by its own search prowess, began integrating machine learning basics. They drew from PageRank, the algorithm that ranks web pages by importance. For YouTube, this evolved into video ranking based on views and user feedback. A video with quick likes or shares climbed higher in search results. This shift marked the birth of engagement-driven discovery. Creators noticed content that hooked viewers in seconds gained traction. The algorithm favored watch time over mere clicks, pushing videos that held attention. In those nascent days, it felt revolutionary, turning a chaotic library into a personalized playlist. Yet, it was far from perfect, often burying niche content under viral hits. This origin set the stage for an arms race between creators and code. Fast forward to the 2010s, and YouTube algorithms underwent massive evolution. By 2012, the platform introduced the recommendation engine we know today, powered by deep learning. Neural networks analyzed not just keywords, but user behavior patterns. Watch history, likes, dislikes, and even pause points fed into models predicting what you would enjoy next. Innovation peaked with the 2015 update, emphasizing session time. The goal shifted: keep users on the platform longer. Videos leading to binge sessions got boosted, creating feedback loops where popular content snowballed. Innovation accelerated in 2016 with the suggested videos sidebar overhaul. Algorithms now incorporated collaborative filtering, similar to Netflix. If users who liked your favorite video also watched another, it appeared in your feed. Google Brain's AI advancements played a huge role, using tensor processing units for faster computations. By 2018, multi-armed bandit algorithms entered the mix, testing thumbnails and titles in real time to optimize clicks. Creators adapted, obsessing over clickbait that delivered value to retain viewers. The 2020s brought further leaps with federated learning, training models on device to respect privacy while personalizing globally. Today, over 70% of watch time comes from recommendations, a testament to this relentless evolution. Quantum computing experiments hint at even wilder innovations ahead, promising hyper-precise feeds. YouTube algorithms wield immense cultural power, shaping trends and narratives worldwide. They democratize fame, launching careers from bedroom vlogs to global stardom. Think of how a single recommendation propelled artists like Billie Eilish or Lil Nas X into the spotlight. Yet, this influence sparks debates on echo chambers. Algorithms cluster similar content, reinforcing biases and polarizing views. During elections, they amplify sensational news, as seen in 2016 when divisive videos dominated feeds. On the flip side, cultural significance shines in education and activism. Algorithms surface tutorials on everything from coding to climate action, empowering self-learners. Movements like Black Lives Matter gained momentum through viral chains of recommended videos. Creators from underrepresented regions find audiences, fostering global dialogues. However, the dark side includes misinformation spread, where algorithms prioritize engagement over accuracy. YouTube responded with fact-checking partnerships and downranking policies. Overall, these systems act as cultural curators, deciding what stories endure, challenging us to create content that transcends algorithms for genuine impact. Did you know YouTube algorithms process over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute? That means constant recalibration to avoid overload. Surprisingly, early tests used cat videos as benchmarks, since they universally hook viewers, proving engagement basics. Another gem, the algorithm once favored videos under 15 minutes, but now rewards long-form for deeper retention. Here is a shocker: dislikes influence more than you think. They train models to avoid similar content, quietly shaping your feed. Fun twist: Google runs A/B tests on subsets of users, so your recommendations might differ from a friend's for the same history. And get this, during the pandemic, algorithms boosted mental health content by 300%, adapting to collective needs. One creator hacked the system by ending videos with cliffhangers, spiking session watch time. These quirks reveal the algorithm as a living entity, full of surprises that keep the platform dynamic. From clunky keyword searches to AI-driven personalization, the story of YouTube algorithms reflects human ingenuity in its complexities. They connect us to joy, knowledge, and controversy, evolving with technology and society. As creators and viewers, understanding them empowers better content and mindful consumption. The algorithm is not just code, it is the pulse of our shared digital culture. If this journey through YouTube's algorithmic world sparked your curiosity, hit that like button to support more deep dives. Subscribe to Objectified for weekly explorations of tech wonders. Drop a comment. What video does the algorithm always recommend to you? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for joining us on Objectified. Until next time, keep questioning the code behind your screen. See you soon.